Importance of PPE in South African workplaces, protecting lives, improving safety. PPE plays a critical role in ensuring safety and health in South African workplaces, where diverse industries such as mining, manufacturing, construction, logistics, and agriculture operate under potentially hazardous conditions. Here are key reasons why PPE is vital. Legal compliance. The Occupational Health and Safety Act of 1993 mandates employers to provide PPE where necessary to mitigate workplace risks. Non-compliance can lead to legal penalties, shutdowns, or reputational damage. Employee safety. PPE protects workers from physical, chemical, biological, and environmental hazards. For example, helmets prevent head injuries from falling objects in construction. Respirators protect against inhaling harmful dust or fumes in mining and manufacturing. Gloves safeguard against chemical burns or cuts. Health risk mitigation. PPE minimizes exposure to long-term health hazards such as hearing loss, respiratory diseases, and skin conditions, which are common in high-risk industries. For instance, earplugs or earmuffs reduce the risk of noise-induced hearing loss in noisy workplaces like factories. Increased productivity. Employees feel safer and more confident when provided with appropriate PPE, leading to improved morale and productivity. Reduced injuries mean fewer disruptions and absenteeism, contributing to operational efficiency. Cost effectiveness. Investing in PPE reduces expenses associated with workplace injuries, such as compensation claims, medical costs, and legal disputes. It prevents costly downtime caused by incidents or regulatory breaches. Promoting a safety culture. Providing PPE demonstrates an organization's commitment to worker welfare. It fosters a culture of safety, encouraging employees to adopt and prioritize safe practices. Conclusion. PPE is indispensable in South African workplaces to safeguard workers, ensure legal compliance, and promote operational efficiency. Employers must continuously assess workplace risks, provide suitable PPE, and train employees to create safer and more productive work environments. Contact us for all your PPE needs.